Well, Malaysia's first mega vaccination centre has opened its doors. The target is to immunise up to 8,000 people a day. Authorities say that vaccine registration rates are picking up as Malaysia battles its worst virus surge. More than 6,800 new infections have been confirmed today. That's down from Saturday's high of 9,000. From tomorrow, a full nationwide lockdown begins. Nearly all economic activities, except for essential sectors, will be shut down. Melissa Go with this report.
It's the second time that Malaysia is imposing its strictest lockdown to rein in a raging pandemic that's infected over 500,000 people and killed more than 2,700, and almost half of the fatalities were recorded in this month alone. As new variants that are a lot more infectious and harder to treat wreak havoc in the community, pushing the healthcare system to a breaking point. 800 roadblocks are enacted nationwide as a 2-per-car rule kicks in. Now, Malaysians are told not to leave their homes unless to buy food and daily essentials or to seek medical help. Now, their movements are restricted to within 10-kilometre radius. Now, 70,000 officers are on the ground to ensure strict enforcement and border control to be further tightened.
Musuh yang ada di hadapan kita adalah musuh yang kita tak kenal, dan mereka ini sudah bertukar cara mereka menyerang manusia.
Movement curbs alone is not enough. Malaysia must ramp up vaccination. Now, currently, 11% of the targeted population of 26 million have been vaccinated since the rollout of the national immunisation program in February. Now, authorities are opening up more vaccination centres like these. Now, here at the country's largest international trade and exhibition centre, MyTac, it's just been converted into a mega vaccination centre. Medical experts say Malaysia needs to vaccinate at least 200,000 people in order to achieve herd immunity by year-end. Now, currently, Malaysia is vaccinating less than 100,000 a day. Now, part of the reason, Vaccine Minister Hairi Jamaluddin said, is limited supply. Now, some 16 million doses, he promised, will be arriving within the next 2 months.
Now we are shifting and pivoting and giving more vaccines to the states which are ground zero, in particular the Klang Valley.
Now, to ease the bottleneck, the Health Ministry is roping in private hospitals and local clinics to join the national immunisation program. Now, apart from that, health experts say Malaysia needs to test more, trace and isolate positive cases, given that majority of them are asymptomatic. Now, health authorities are also asking those with hardly any or mild symptoms to self-isolate and recuperate at home.
Kemungkinan berlaku situasi di mana para doktor akan terpaksa membuat pilihan sukar untuk mengutamakan katil ICU bagi pesakit yang mempunyai potensi sembuh yang lebih tinggi berbanding dengan pesakit yang potensi sembuhnya adalah lebih kurang.
More than 800 patients are currently in the intensive care unit, half on ventilators. Now, Dr. Nur Hisham expects daily cases to hit 13,000 by middle of June if there's no full lockdown, and it will take at least 3 to 4 months, he said, to flatten the curve. Melissa Go, CNA, Kuala Lumpur.